30 Hanging Succulent Plants with Secret Beauty. Succulents have actually ended up being quite popular in the last few years due to their ease of care and special look. This hanging plant has heart-shaped leaves that come in shades of silver and green and grow on long, trailing stems. String of pearls, Senecio raulianus. String of bananas, Senecio radicans. String of dolphins, Senecio peregrinus. String of hearts, Ceropegia woodi. Burro's tail, Sedum morganianum. Christmas cactus, Schlumbergera. Donkey tail, Sedum burrito. Fishbone cactus, Epiphyllum anguliger. Hoya, Hoya carnosa. String of buttons, Crassula perforata. Hanging succulent has thick, trailing stems that are covered in small, green leaves. Go ahead and check out the world of hanging succulents and bring a touch of nature into your house. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.